My name is Donna Dancy, and I'm the Program Manager for the Employ Youth Summer Experience. The Employ program has been in existence in its current state for the last 5 years. We're going into our 6th summer. This summer, we're in hopes of having upwards of 300 students participating in our program from CCTE.
My name is Saria Ross. I'm a job developer for the Employ Youth Summer Experience. I'm the liaison between Employ and Shelby County Schools, CCTE. Today we are interviewing our CCTE students to begin their journey with the Employ 2020. This summer we are excited to have different sites that will host these students based off of their CCTE classes. We're excited. The partnership is growing. This year we're expecting way more students. We have different sites such as Tresvent, Sheffield, Southwest, American Way. I mean, the list goes on. Each of these sites will have different subjects that these students will learn and be able to make money while they're learning. I mean, you know.
I'm seeking employment through Employ. I want to work, do something productive for the summer, and I also want to make money.
I mean, the same people that I'm on the streets with, the same people I'm in school with. So, distance myself, talk to the people I know who gonna keep me on the right path instead of the wrong path, and do my work in school, get good grades and all that.
The most difficult thing to get into this program was the fact that they only do a certain amount of students, so you have to do the application quick, because you will miss your spot.
I heard about this program in school, and I was like, this is a good program for children my age, because since I'm 14, I can't really get a job, so I just thought this would be a good thing to do during the summer.
We are so proud of the Employ program, the partnership we do have with CCTE, and we look forward to continue and for it to continue to grow.